Willow River State Park in Wisconsin, northwestern Wisconsin, up near Hudson. And to get into a state park, it costs $25 for the annual pass. I think it's $10 or $13 just to get in for the day if you don't want the pass. But anyways, there's a waterfall up here that I'm going to go look at. So this trail will take us past the campsites. There's a campground up here with, I believe, over 100 sites, like 125 sites. I'm not sure what the rates are, but I will post them. Got this nice half-paved, I guess it's a paved trail. I could have parked further up by the falls up there where the entrance is, but I hear it's really steep, and I'd rather just take a longer walk. This lake was formed, I'm not sure what the name of it is, I'll look that up too, but it was formed when they created a dam down here. Native Americans obviously lived here, but the first settlers came in at about 1650, and after that they were just mainly hunting and trapping, and then they made a dam down there to operate a mill, I guess, and they had lumber. Okay, here's some primitive campsites. They're all empty. Maybe I'll stay here if it's not too expensive. Got water up here. They're all empty. Today is May 5th, by the way, Cinco de Mayo. Quiet, nobody up here. So the bathroom's right there. Water right here. I was going to find a free spot, but this might just be the thing to do. Maybe I'll try and get this site. See what number it is. 356. Take a better look at this. Yeah, I'd stay here. Nice. Yeah. Okay, so now we go up. Oh, now it's a mile from here. Okay. So now it goes to gravel. Just wow. the top side is closed. Ah. Hey. So this is the view out my back window. I only get to see that for a few more hours and then it'll be dark, so